Whoa, look at this. These cars have been here for years. Look at these old beauties. They were my pride.
They're incredible. You restored them all?
Tried to. Life got in the way. Now they're memories.
Memories are worth it. Hello, sir. These cars are incredible.
Thank you. They're old projects.
May I take a closer look? Of course. This one here is special.
I'm very interested. Afternoon. Welcome to the collection.
Thanks. I'm really impressed.
Thanks. This one's a 55.
Incredible. What's the story?
Pulled it from a field.
Sir, I respect these cars. I'd like to buy them.
They're not just cars to me, son.
I understand. I'll restore them.
All right, you got a deal.
Thank you, sir.
I've had these beauties for years.
They're incredible. What a find.
They deserve a new life. I can give them that. Let's take a look.
Hi, I need a tow truck for a vintage car. What's the address and condition? 123 Elm Street. It's a rusty 57 Chevy convertible. Got it. A driver will be there soon.
Body's seen better days. Tires are shot, rusted through. Frame might be bent. Gonna need a full check.
All right, let's get this unloaded. Ramps down. Copy that. Chains are tight. I'll get the binders. Good. Loosen them slowly. No scratches.
Look at the patina on that convertible. She's seen some years.
What's the plan for him, boss?
Let's get him down. We'll assess the damage. There's more rust under the paint than we expected. We'll need to rebuild parts of the body completely. The original metal is finally showing. Careful around the curves, don't damage the body lines. The body shape is still beautiful underneath. This Miura deserves a perfect restoration. Let's keep at it.